All right, we're going to play a game at the end of the lesson. Okay, let's start now. Yeah, you should be able to see. Okay, so today is a very simple chapter on plant system. It is very easy. However, you must get all the important keywords so that you will not lose any marks. Okay, so the rule for today is please turn on your video and then mute yourself unless Miss Ivy say unmute yourself. So most of the time we'll be using the chat. All right, so most of the time your microphone should be mute. So please use the chat to ask a question, answer my question, or to share feedback. All right, so if I'm going too fast, or if I'm going too slowly, or if you have anything that you don't understand, feel free to type into the chat, I don't understand. I'll be very happy to help you. All right, so let's be respectful to each other. There's no National Day promotion. So your parent should have received an SMS from 88 Tuition. So in the SMS, you will actually have the schedule, the link, all right, the schedule PDF document to tell you primary 4 is on what day, primary 5, English, Math, Science is from what day, and so on. So 88 Tuition has classes from P3, P4, P5, P6, secondary 1, secondary 2. Next year, we will also have for secondary 3. All right. So please share this 88 Tuition with your friends, with your classmates, with your family members. And when you share that, right, your friend, your family members gets one free lesson, totally free, one live lesson for free. And then if they decide to sign up, they will actually get 25% off their very first month of subscription. And you also get the benefit. You will get 25% off your tuition fee the next month. All right. So please share 88 Tuition with people you know. It could be primary 3, primary 4, primary 5, primary 6, secondary 1, secondary 2, English, Maths, and Science, and even Chinese mother tongue also. All right. So please, sharing is caring. All right. So do share. All right. We'll start today's chapter. So you all need to identify. All right. Identify means if I show you a picture, you must be able to identify which part of the picture is the leaf, which part of the picture is the stem, which part of the picture is a root. And then you must know the function of the root, stem, leaf. All right, so this is the function. Now we also, in primary 5, you'll be studying about food carrying tubes and water carrying tubes. All right, so they are like special tubes that carry food, carry water. All those you will learn in primary 5. All right, so all these tubes are inside the stem. They help to carry food. They help to carry water up the stem. Okay, so this you will learn in primary 5. But today you're in primary 4. You'll be learning simple. Actually, you should have learned, some of you are learned this in primary 3. Some of you are learning it this year. So you have to know the function of the leaf, function of the stem, function of the root. All right. So let's start. This is just a quick concept map. So roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Now, actually, I would like to add in the words minerals. There should be an S. All right. Now, if you cannot spell absorb, you will write take in. Either you write take in or you write absorb. Two things, water and minerals. And then the roots also hold the plant firmly to the ground or to the soil. Okay. Okay, so now stem start with letter S. So you also think of letter S, it's support. All right, support the plant upright so that the plant can grow upright and reach the sunlight on top. All right, now leaves are factories to make food. Okay, so leaves also is for gas exchange. So for the leaf, right? Okay, so this is the piece of leaf. So there'll be gas exchange. All right, depending on whether the plant is making food or the plant is just having respiration. Okay, so if it's, let's say, a plant, let's say making food, then do you all know what gas will be taken in by the leaves during photosynthesis? Can y'all type into the chat, what gas does the plant need in order to make food? All right, in order to make food, what gas is needed by the plant to make food? Can you type into the chat, please? What gas? Okay, you need sunlight. All right, plants need sunlight. Plants also need water. Other than that, there's one gas. I give you a clue. This gas is what your body makes. All right. Bella, air got many gases. So there is one specific gas inside air that plants need in order to make food. What are you breathing out right now? What is your body making that you are getting rid of right now? No, right now I'm getting rid of one gas from Miss Ivy's body. Miss Ivy's body doesn't need one gas. I'm breathing it out right now from my nose. All right, so what is the gas that I'm breathing out? I'm trying to throw the gas out of my body. I don't want that gas inside my body. I'm going to throw the gas out from my nose when I breathe out through my nose. So what gas is coming out from my nose is very good. Good job, Darius. Good job, Siri. Good job, Bella. All right, and good job, Clarice. Good job, Marvel, sorry. And that is carbon dioxide gas. All right, so the plants will need to take in carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so right now if Miss Ivy is standing next to the tree, the tree will be very happy because I'm breathing out carbon dioxide from my nose, and this carbon dioxide is what the plants need to make food. And then when the plants make food, right, the plant will give out oxygen gas. Okay, so right now I would love to be standing next to the tree because when I stand next to the tree, when the tree is, so what it means is when the tree is making food, right, carbon dioxide in the air will be absorbed into the leaves, and then the leaves will make food. When the leaves make food, they will also give out oxygen gas. All right, so let me highlight these. So these are the two gas you all must know, carbon dioxide gas and oxygen gas. So if you are talking about making food, that is photosynthesis, the plants will, of course, need sunlight. Let me draw the sun. All right. You also need to water the plant. All right. You need to water the plant in order for the plant to make food. Then the plant will need carbon dioxide gas in order to make food. And the plant will give out oxygen gas after the plant make food. So is everybody clear these two gases? So remember, very important. All right, so the plant's taking carbon dioxide opposite from us. All right, the plants is taking carbon dioxide, whereas we all are taking oxygen. Okay, our bodies need oxygen. Okay, let me admit one last student, and it's full class today. Very happy. Okay, welcome to Toby. All right, so let's start the next slide. Let me go to the next slide. Okay, now I'm going to ask y'all one. We're going to play like simple game. I'll start by asking the first student. The first student will then call the next student. All right, so we have a total of 10 students here today. Okay, so I shall start by calling Eldon. Eldon. The first one, leaves. I'm talking about the leaves. The leaves make what? So this one. So Eldon, can you unmute yourself? The leaves make what?
The leaves makes food.
Very good. All right. So the answer is make food. Just a minute. Let me close it. Let's make food. Can Eldon call the next person? Lucky draw. See who's the next person. Eldon, choose your next person. And then you cannot call the same person 2 times. Yes, leaves sometimes need not be green in color. Some leaves are red in color, but they all have chlorophyll. All right. Toby. Toby, would you like to help us with the number 2? The leaves allow the plant to, let me help you with this, E and a G. To what?
Exchange.
Exchange, very good. Exchange what? Exchange presents? Toby, is a bit not clear. Try to hold on to the mic longer. Okay, thank you. I see your chat. Exchange gases. With who? With the surrounding air. This part is important. As don't just put full stop. Exchange gases with who? Exchange gases with Santa Claus, is it? So of course not, right? So the leaves allow the plant to exchange gases with the surrounding air. All right. Now this part, the leaves are green. I know some leaves in the world are red, right? Or even orange, but leaves on have this green, even if the leaves are red in color, they have this green pigment. All right. Pig, like the oink oink pig, and then pigment. Anybody knows what's the name of this green pigment in the leaves? Anyone? Okay, can y'all type in the chat if you know what is the name of the green pigment? Starting with C. Avigan, well done, except for one missing letter. Darius, you know the pronunciation, but spelling is wrong, but good try. Toby, good try, short of one last letter. Okay, so this is how you spell chlorophyll. So chlorophyll. Okay, so there's a laurel, but it's pronounced as chloro. All right, TH is a K sound. Chlorophyll, then phyll, PHY, and then double L. All right, phyll. All right, chlorophyll. So leaves have a green pigment called chlorophyll. All right, so even if the leaves are red in color, they also have chlorophyll. All right, they are red because they have other types of pigment. For example, they have the types like carotenoids. That's why our eyes see as red leaves. Some leaves are red, but most of the leaves in the world are green. So I don't care whether green leaves or red leaves, they all have chlorophyll. All right, chlorophyll is a green color pigment in the leaves that allow the leaves to trap sunlight. So chlorophyll is best because chlorophyll trap light. All right, can be artificial light also. Okay, trap light. Why want to trap light is to make food. Okay, so these are all the keywords. Why have chlorophyll? Chlorophyll trap what? Trap sunlight. Why want to trap sunlight? To make food, so that plants can make food. All right, so we have caught Eldon and we have caught Toby. Toby, can you call the next person, please? To do the next one. Siyu. All right, Siyu, do you know this? I give you a clue, S. So this word also S. Stems with S. So what the plant upright?
Support.
Thank you very much. So you call the next person. So far we have called Eldon, Toby, and Siyu. Quickly, Siyu or Marvel. Marvel. Marvel, did I pronounce your name correctly or not? Must let me know, Marvel. Or Marvel. Marvel or Marvel. So which is the correct pronunciation? Marvel or Marvel?
Marvel.
Marvel. Okay. Marvel. Thank you, Marvel. What is the next blank? A stem, what? Water and minerals. Okay, Marvel, what is this blank? Do you know? You need help? Starting with A. Oh, no, not A, sorry. Starting with T. Like MRT, what system? MRT is a MRT what? Buses, yes.
Transport.
Good. Transport. All right. So transport. So the stem after the S, there's a letter T. Okay, transport two things. Transport water and minerals up from where to where? From the roots to the rest of the plant. You must always tell me from where to where. All right, from which place to which place. Okay, from where to where is from the roots to all other parts of the plant. Okay, so for stem, right, there are two functions. Okay, stem start with S, so you think of the support. It support the plant upright. All right, so the plant can be very straight, very high up and can reach the sunlight. And then after S, the next letter, if you sing your ABC song, is T. So stem also transport, cannot write absorb. The stem transport water, transport minerals up from where to where? From roots to all other parts of the plant. Okay, to the rest of the plant means all other parts of the plant. All right, let's go to roots. Marvel, can you help me call the next person, please? Don't worry if you are being caught and give the wrong answer. Nothing shameful about giving wrong answer. We will all help each other. Okay, Marvel, you want to call someone? Marvel, you know where to find the names, right? Marvel, are you there?